house is all glowing.
Okay, here we are at the Fort Lauderdale, start of the Fort Lauderdale Boat Parade in beautiful downtown Fort Lauderdale.
Gotta get this around. They get a big shirt.
We have Paul DeSillo. Paul, say hello.
Hey guys.
Robert.
Cheers.
The canoers.
Yeah,
Oh.
the canoers are out.
Look at the canoers.
Look at them go. They got colored.
Say hello.
They got colored.
Doug,
Hello,
We
hello.
got a canoer that
Merry
And the-
Christmas, ho,
And
ho,
the
ho.
godmother. If you need
He's all
something
tweeted.
done,
There
you
you
see
go.
the
Ho, ho, ho.
godmother.
There you are. She can take care of it.
Doug's the concierge.
Look at all the hats.
His hat's glowing like Rose's necklace.
And here we have some beautiful canoers going up the New River.
Oh boy, they're all.
Oh, look at the tuxes. Like little penguins.
All decked up.
Hello, Richard.
Very nice.
There's the dockmaster,
There you
Richard
go.
Graves.
Charge of the deal here.
If you're looking for Rose, she's right up here, Richard.
She's not where she's supposed to be
Here,
doing
I'm
her
going to
job.
sit down.
Oh.
Sounds like a domestic fight.
I got a drink we could spill on him.
Sounds like you have a personal problem.
Sounds like a domestic
Here
fight.
I am dying, and she
It's
got me
sprinkling
doing all
again,
this work.
dang it.
I tell you do it. You want to do it.
And here comes the straggler.
That's fine, Rose. That's fine.
You know, we'll be fine. What's that?